All right, so you want to create the meme, CapCut memes that you see on TikTok. So the first thing you want to do is go to TikTok, and this one is called the When You Are So Far from 10K. So you can actually just go in here and search for it. Go to the magnifying glass, type in When You Are So Far from 10K. That baby was screaming way too much. So select one of the videos that you see here. And then once you have that video selected, you're going to click on the CapCut Bipolar Baby little meme icon there. And then you have to have the CapCut app on your phone. You can click on Use Template. It'll take you directly over to the CapCut app. From there, you're going to go ahead and click on Use Template. And once you are inside of the CapCut app, after you click on the Use Template, you'll go ahead and select your photo. Once you have the CapCut app on your phone, you've gone to TikTok, typed in those words, and found the template you want to use, you're going to go ahead and just take a screenshot of your TikTok account. So I'm going to go ahead and screenshot it. And then we'll go ahead and go back to CapCut. We're going to go to Photos, update it, click on the next. Right there. And then we can move her around wherever we want her. Let's put her about right here so everyone can see my account. Click on Export, and it'll say Save and Share to TikTok without CapCut watermark. You click on that little button there. It's staying here, but I want to go back for a second and see what the text was. I can't remember the text that they were putting on there. So, okay, so it looks like the text is when you're not even at 10K. I'll screenshot that. And then what I like to do is just to go back to the screenshot and highlight the text, and then I'll just copy it and paste it. So I'll take that text, copy it. We're going to go ahead and go back over to TikTok and go to my drafts folder where I saved the video. All right, click on drafts and go to that video, and then I'm just going to click on text and paste that text in. Now, as you can see, it didn't quite come over the exact same way, but this is just a really lazy way for me to get the text, and then I just go in and kind of clean it up a bit. And so I'll just clean it up a bit here. And once it's done and I've cleaned it up to where I feel like I want it, and I'll probably just delete this last part and take that out. And I'm just going to bold this a bit because, as you can see, it's kind of blending in a little too much. So actually what I'll do is just place this white background on it and then move it where I want it to be, right over here, and that looks about right. All right, so now we click on next, and I would just go ahead and place in a couple of more hashtags to make sure the algorithm knows where to place this particular type of content. And I'll place that in there. And if I were going to post this, I'll go ahead and click on post, but for the purposes of this video, I'll just put it back in the drafts for now. And that is how you create the 10K, is it Bipolar Baby? I wish they would have gave her a different name, but Bipolar Baby meme in CapCut. If you have any questions or if you want more videos like this, go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know what videos you'd like to create.